Hello students. Today I am going to start introduction to Python. What is Python? Python is a programming software which is developed by Guido van Rossum in the year 1990s. Now Python is in our syllabus. Several parts present in Python. First one is token. What is token? Token is a small unit in Python. The different types of tokens are present in Python. First one, keyword, identifiers, literals, operators and punctuators. First, keyword. Keyword is a reserved word which we used in a Python. The several types of reserved word were used for different types of operations in Python, like if, else, for, etc. All are the considered as a reserved word or keyword. Then identifiers. Identifiers is known as the variable names. Through the identifiers, we can create a variable. What is variable? Variable is the memory locations where we store different types of values which has a particular name to identify a particular variable. The several rules also present to create identifiers. First of all, identifiers name should be in character, numbers and one special character is underscore. The first letter of the identifiers should be a character. We can also write down the identifier's name with character, then number, and we can use the underscore over there. But we are not use any space in between names of variables or functions, etc. Next, literals. The four different categories of literals are found over there. First one, string, then numeric, then boolean and special. In case of string literals, we can use the string or characters over there. In the particular literals, it may be a single or multi-lines. We can use a single string over there or multi-line string over there by using multi-line literals or string literals. Next one is the numeric form of literals. Integer, floating point and complex number. Integer literals also taking the integer types of values. It may be 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. It is unable to take any floating values or decimal values over there. Integer values may be a decimal form, it may be a octal form, it may be a hexadecimal form, or it may be a binary form. Next, the floating point variables or floating point numericals literals. It can take the decimal values like 123.34. It is taken under the floating literals. If we write down 123.34 in the integer, it is unable to take, it is always take 123. In case of complex number literals, it has the two different segments. One is the real number part and that is the imaginary number part. So it can take both real and imaginary number in case of complex literals. Next one is the Boolean literals. Boolean literals is always true or false. It is always run on the true or false mode. Either the particular value is true, giving these types of values can be held either true or false. One is the special non-literals. It can take the null values. Null means no values. None means no values. So again, I am repeating it. Token, the small unit, then it is classified with the keywords, identifier, literals, operators and punctuators. Keyword is the reserved word like if, as, for, etc. Identifiers. Identifiers is the name of the variables. Then the literals. Literals are the different categories: string, number, boolean and special. In case of string, it is classified with the two types: single and multiple lines. Numeric literals, integer, float and complex. In case of integer literals, it can take only the integer types of values. Float literals, it can take integer and fraction values also. And complex literals, it can hold the imaginary number and also real number. In case of Boolean literals, it can take only true and false. And the special literals is known as none. None means no values. So thank you for today.